It will go to court this time around.
I said it will go to court this time around.
I said it will go to court this time around.
Mary, sit down.
You are joking. Mary, don't bring the past. You did a lot to me.
How can I conceive
You destroyed. You did a lot to me.
How do you want me to do?
Mary, you did. I'm talking to you now. You did a lot to me.
What?
You destroyed a lot.
What did you do?
Mary, you destroyed a lot. So don't talk about the past. Don't talk about the past.
I'm saying it's okay now. It's okay.
You destroyed a lot.
You destroyed a lot.
You destroyed a lot. Mary, you destroyed a lot. Sit down. I don't want any of you.
I said sit down.
I don't want any of you again.
I'll go.
I don't want any of you again.
I will go.
Allow me to talk.
I will go.
Alex, allow me to
Sit
talk.
down.
I don't want any of you again. You leave. You leave. Your marriage is not up to a year. You want to go and bang on another man. Your marriage is not up to a year. You want to go and bang on another man. The only thing I will not take from you, if you're talking from this your gutter you call a mouth, don't mention my mother. Don't call my.
They asked you for just simple DNA, you rush go come on.
What is the problem now?
My husband did not ask for DNA.
I don't take
Doctor say
I don't take drip. Forget about PP. I don't get drip and I don't get who is knocking on my door. Nobody should knock on that door. Nobody should knock on that door. I don't get drip. I don't take injection. I'm here ready for you. There's something wrong with you. You
Let me go and sit down. Joe, you're claiming you don't know the reason why they are asking you to leave the house. You don't know what you do when they say make you come out for house. Mary say you know they go. Now let me tell you guys. See, as in the years, so doctor say in BP they high. He needs rest of mind. And all these things you people are doing is not giving him that rest of mind. That is one. Then secondly, you said you don't know the reason why they are asking you to leave the house. I remember yesterday Mary was saying something about your baby. If you remember well, we came to the house to pick you. You went to our place. Now, mom, see you go see. Before we get called, say this one happened, this one happened. Why I didn't want to say anything that period was because you were in pain. So there was no reason for me to go digging deep.
So I don't understand.
Hold on, I'm not done. I am still talking. There was no proof. There was no hospital. We did not even hear from any doctor. We didn't see the child. I decided to let all that slide. Make it not be say, you dey in pain, everybody is against you and all that. I stood by you. But right now, questions are beginning to come up. They don't pick. Look, we did ask questions. Even for family, they ask questions. I don't defend, I don't talk.
Just check all the social media. Just check what is happening. Just check everywhere you go. Everywhere like this lemon. Even if yesterday I went to the mall, everybody was asking me unnecessary questions just because of the both of you. Now you they ask question, answer.
So what's happened to that's now is the time to clear everything. Let's just clear the air. We can make everybody just talk in mind.
Which hair do we want to clear? No, now which hair where you think say we want clear for this place like this? Shey na only me. I don't understand. It's obvious that people are bringing this my child lost just to hurt me. Because I don't know why on earth will you people be bringing. If you people want to bring everything in this life, it's not my own child. When she lose her own child, why will I not ask her? Wait till do your own child.
They are asking you question, not me. Do you understand? So you answer who is asking you a question. Don't even try to swap and come to my own place. You answer your question.
Okay. The question I will answer, people now they ask us to be my own child. Shebuna, because when your mother came to this house, what do you people do? You people threaten me, and ever since then, you and your mother ate my child in the womb.
Why are you capitalizing on what talk? Why are you capitalizing on this?
Stop bringing out my own child.
No, wait. Why are you capitalizing on that thing?
I will not wake up one morning and all of a sudden just cook up one thing or just plan to eat my own baby. Or just plan to just drink something and let my baby go.
Joy.
It will never happen because he cherished the child.
Joy. Remember when this thing came up was when the issue of DNA came up.
What's my business? Who was asking for DNA? Who was the person? What's my business with DNA? If
Joy, all of a sudden, like one morning, you woke up one morning and the next one year say picking don't come out.
You see, say, I know today.
I tell you since that time, I never wanted to say anything. I never wanted to say anything. But I think right now, the best thing we will do now is say, let's start that finding.
Better. Because even you said you know what happened to my child and you are going to say, because I'm expecting you to tell me what happened to my own child. You said it with your own mouth. You and Wise will open your mouth to say that you people know what happened to my child. So it's obvious you people were the one that actually did that. Yes, obvious. It's obvious.
Joy, where did you go?
Where did I go?
We came to pick you in our house. I and Lemon came to pick you at home. Because of the call. What did you do? Where did you go? Wait, let me ask you something. Do you know how I sticked my neck for you? This is the right time for me to ask you this question I didn't ask you back then. Because I felt I could protect somebody who gets moral. Just look at what you were saying. Even if we lock you up, you get senators. As a married woman that you are, person will say don't marry. Which means you want to confirm to me, say, all the old talks when I know they believe online that year, all those things I decided to play deaf and blind too. Say not real.
What is the thing?
What is the thing, right?
So, if person calls senator, me say, the person, I don't understand. I don't see you. Did you see you were so comfortable. You were so relaxed saying it like the same way you are comfortable telling me you want to throw me into the cell. The same way you are comfortable telling me that.
Joy.
No problem. I don't blame any of you now. If they obviously this witch don't plan something. It don't bewitch you, bewitch Wise one, bewitch you too. Bewitch your own mother too.
No.
To pick my call.
The only thing I will not take from you, if you're talking from this your gutter you call the mouth, don't mention my mother. Don't call my mother from your dirty mouth.
I'm not calling her to disrespect.
I know you're
your mother is somebody that anytime I call her, she picks my call.
I know
your mother loved me like never before. But this week you're up to something.
I'm not saying.
Now me and you for this house.
Joy.
Say you are seeing her.
Joy.
Say you are seeing me.
Okay.
Joy.
Say you are seeing her.
Say you are seeing me.
Joy, I don't hear my mama name for your mouth.
You have started.
Say anything you want to say, but my mother, I will not take it. Don't try me.
I know I can never insult her.
Don't try me, oh. Don't try me, oh. Joy. I don't take drip.
Better go and sit
I
down.
don't take drip.
No.
I have taken drip.
Sit
I have
down,
taken injection. I'm ready for you.
Sit down.
Sit down.
No, I don't take drip.
Sit down.
I don't take drip.
Doctor say
I don't take drip. Forget about PP. I don't take drip, and I don't take. Who is knocking on my door? Nobody should knock on that door. Nobody should knock on that door. I don't take drip. I don't take injection. I did ready for you. There's something wrong with you. You
David, go and sit down.
That's something they do.
Please tell the person that they can come back. Joy, we are just talking. See now you're throwing pillow. Don't start. I don't know what. See, my problem is I don't know what is giving you confidence.
The thing that is
I don't know what is giving you mind.
I have gone and asked concerning Shana mother. They told me they ate my child. And you see,
you are the one that ate that child. Because they asked you for just simple DNA, you rush go come out.
What is your problem now?
My husband did not ask me for DNA. Who asked me? Do you ask me?
Right now, I am asking you.
I am going to do the DNA. Now, Shepard, I don't feel like go to the DNA.
His eyes was not
blinded. Which eyes?
See anything?
No, you did.
You
read to
you
you
now
what
say
you
everything
done.
not come outside now. Everybody seeing
It's
what
not
you're
paining
doing.
me.
I know you were surprised that
it's
when
not
you
paining
came
me.
out. Thank God saying I ain't catch you.
Nonsense is
This
this?
for you, they do your nonsense.
Wait till be
I
yellow.
beg you.
You see, you are too dark. Wait till be yellow.
You are dark. You are
wait till be yellow. You don't know
wait
wait till be yellow. Go and Google what is yellow.
I googled it.
I am not fetish. If I am fetish, if I am fetish, I will not do it like this.
You have
when you say you go to tire for grind, you go to tire. You know now. You go to tire. Oh, nobody.
I said let's have a
don't do anything. I do for people.
Go to let's have a peaceful
I
talk.
do for people to see.
She has yellow candle. She has red candle. I saw everything. Chauffeur paroni. Is it because I don't say everything?
Yellow candle, yet red
because
candle.
I don't used to say everything now.
Yellow. What is the what's the work for?
You are evil.
What's the work?
You see that evil that now only witch now they know witch. There's no way you are not a witch.
Okay, now you will be witch. We can't know witch.
Joy, I call those to have a peaceful conversation.
Definitely you are a witch. So only
you also call mother be threatening me.
Can we talk?
Hey. Oh, blah.
If the both of you continue like this, Mary, so okay, let me just tell you something. Do you understand me? If this is what the both of you will continue, I will have no other choice Yeah, I will have no other choice than say the both of you should go.
Who's that? Who's not going to my
I
door?
don't have a problem. If you guys want me to go, I will go. So we can you go to my
So this
you are messing with my own mental health.
Yeah.
You are messing with my mental health. I'm not the first person to get married at a young age. So what's all this problem about? Only me and my husband fit carry secretary come meet me inside saying he pregnant secretary come meet me inside. What's the problem? What is the
media
problem?
personnel, baby girl.
Media personnel for a graduate to shito mo konton pe ni MC bare ko lo ko share
media personnel, baby girl.
Media personnel you go share. It's annoying. Now only me now. Okay.
Mary, can I talk?
Which other man has carried a woman? You have not dissolved your marriage with the first one. The next thing you decide to bring outside and say they are not even divorced. Okay, the divorce paper is the divorce paper even
every day they knock for my door. Every day.
I don't know where court they are. I don't know where police station they are.
Maybe can we talk? Okay, fine. See what I'm.
Every day.
See,
wait.
wait.
All the time because I don't want to. Every time.
Joy.
Do people think this is not affecting my mental?
Hold on.
I don't think
can I talk?
so because if it's affecting you, not be.
You shut up. Let me talk. Now what is your problem?
Talk.
What is your stress?
Talk. Oh.
See, let me tell you. I think now, as it stands now. Okay, you people are not going. You people should just go for holiday. Go to your parents' house for holiday.
The holiday we went for, what happened? He told us to go separate ways for a while. He put us in a place for us to stay. There is a reason why he did it. And what happened at the end of the day?
Right now,
Social media
right now, hold on. Right now, please. I am not saying anybody should go. I'm not saying you people are going finally now. You people should go for now. Let him get himself. Because you cannot continue like this and expect him to be fine.
Alex.
What is this one now?
You know they talk my mind. Alex, you are not talking my mind. My mind is I am no longer interested in the both of them again.
My dear, you know where court is. Go and bring the divorce paper.
I know, madam. Don't.
There is no problem.
Don't say that. That's stupid talk again.
You brought this problem to this house.
Don't say that stupid talk again, Mary. Mary.
Don't tell me that.
Mary, don't bring the past.
It's not the past. It's the past.
You did a lot to me.
How can I conceive
You
if I
destroyed.
continue
You
having
did a lot
problems?
to
I don't
me.
have this on my. How do you want me to give
Mary, you did. I'm talking to
How
you.
do you expect me to
You
give
did a
them?
lot to me.
What?
You destroyed a lot.
No, what did you do?
Mary, you
What
destroyed
did
a
you
lot.
do? You want us
So don't talk about the
Mary,
past.
it's okay.
Don't talk about the past.
I'm
You
saying
destroyed
it's
a
okay
lot.
now. It's okay.
You destroyed a lot.
You destroy a lot of shit.
You destroy lots.
Mary,
you destroyed a lot. Sit down. I don't want any of you.
I said sit down.
I don't want any of you again.
I'll go.
I don't want any of you again.
I will go.
Allow me to talk.
I will go.
Alex, allow me to
Sit
talk.
down.
I don't want any of you again.
Go to court and
You leave. You leave.
Go to court and
Both of you will leave.
I'm tired of your nonsense.
I'm tired of you two. I am tired of you two.
I don't have
am
peace.
tired of
Only
you.
me, a
All
young
of
girl
you.
that cannot conceive everything. Mary. What's your problem?
Small son going down.
No, me, I'm not going down. I am not going down.
Two
I am not
rubbish
going down.
things.
Now we pack rubbish and
You will go.
I'm divorce because see why I
What's
don't
divorce?
rubbish.
Divorce yourself.
Divorce. Mary leave my house, Joy leave my house. Nobody will leave. Everybody matter who's leaving. What is your problem? If they bring police to arrest anybody now, you will still go and pay the person. Yes, it's not as if you're actually using the both of us. That is what it looks like. You're using the both of us. So one person and let one person
There's
go.
something wrong with you, David. Don't
Something is
provoke
wrong
me.
with you. Something
Do
is
not
wrong with you.
provoke me.
You are the one that something is wrong
Do
with
not
you.
provoke me.
Something is not wrong with you. You will not bring your second.
Do not
Let one
provoke
person
me.
go. You are not married to one person.
Where
What's
did you
your
go?
problem?
Why did you go visit
What
your
is
ex?
your problem?
The very day you went to go visit your ex, you came back late.
When did you start
May
buying
God
that? Because you
punish
want
you.
to talk. God will
It
punish
is
you.
none of your business.
I'm
I'm a
not
man.
punish you.
I am a man.
Something is
I am a man. A married
Sit
man.
down, sit down.
A married
You are
man
a
like
man.
you.
You are
We
a
can
man.
see that.
Don't
What is the
stress
problem?
my
Your
husband.
marriage.
Sit
Your
down,
marriage
sit
is
down.
not up to a
That's
year.
my husband.
You just
It's
see me
still
and
on
I'm
dream.
what is
Your marriage is not up to a year. You want to come back on another man. Your marriage is not up to a year. You want to come back on another man.
That is what you have been telling me.
Sit
That's
down.
what you have been. I'm
No,
talking my
that's not what I'm saying. That's what you don't lie.
Madam, you will shut up your
That's
mouth.
A man that
Shut
is
up
not
your
satisfied,
mouth.
you carried your ex,
Shut
you
up your
carried
mouth.
secretary to sleep
Both
with
of you,
her.
there
What's
is
your problem?
there's no difference.
There is no difference.
There's no difference with the
There
both
is
of
no
you.
difference with
See,
you.
let me tell you,
I swear,
if I leave this house, I will never come back to this place again.
You are not better.
Jamie,
You
if
are
I leave
definitely
this house,
using the both of us. You are not better.
If I leave this house, that's where
You
going to
cannot-
the compromise
you
with
cannot
Banya.
stand your ground as a man.
cannot
Every
stand
time
against
shout, you cannot throw anybody out of
No
me.
worry.
Why did you not throw me out?
You
Why
will
can't
go.
you throw out?
Both
Only
of you.
police you
This
cannot
time around you will
carry
go.
the case to court and
This
carry-
time around you
bring
will
the
go.
divorce paper
You will go to court.
outside. Je vais pas me
You will go to
beg.
court.
Je vais pas me
You will
beg.
go to court this time around.
This is the
I said you
thing.
go to court this
I'm
time
saying
around.
if you don't
I
bring-
said
if you
it
don't
will
bring
go
that
to
divorce
court
paper, your name is
this time
not
around.
Mary,
If you
sit
don't
down.
bring that
You are
divorce paper, your
joking.
name is not
Sit
there.
down.
It's going to
Because
court this
you're
time
real.
around.
It's okay.
Because I'm
It's going to
trying
go to
to
court this time
respect-
around.
Wait, what is your problem?
It's going to go to court. going to go to court this time around.
Oh, you don't have regard for me.
Because
No respect for me.
calm down, sorry.
No, wait,
Mary, there's
no respect.
I'm sorry,
It's
but
not
this
go
is
to court
annoying.
this time around.
It's not the first
No
thing,
regard,
it's
no
not
respect. So why did you come to
What's
your
your
house?
problem?
No, why did you bring me to your house?
Leave my house, you cannot take her out. What is there? Now you're shouting to people.
If you can be talking,
If you want me to go, divorce me. Very simple.
Mary,
Divorce
I cannot
me.
talk to you, right?
I am tired. Divorce me. It is not hard.
What property are you looking for?
It is not hard.
What property are you
You are
looking
the
for?
one to send the divorce
What
paper.
property
That
are
is
you
why I
looking
am not
for?
sending it myself.
You're looking
Send
for
it
what you
yourself.
will
I don't
share.
need your property.
Are you looking for
your
what you will
property
share?
will not do anything
Look
to
at
me.
this
When I was
criminal.
living on my own,
Look at this criminal. You are looking for something you share. After frauding me, after frauding me, after frauding me, you criminal. Because I don't want to talk. Because I don't want to talk. You criminal. After frauding me, you're looking for what to see.
I can see that you are very rich.
Fraud.
Yes, please just divorce me.
Fraudster.
It's yours.
He said I should divorce you.
do you know one thing I want to tell you?
Go if you want to go.
You see all this
My
things?
property, I am not giving one dime for my property.
That's the
Jesse,
I don't need your property. I don't need this. Let me go. Let me go. Keep the problem. Let me go. I'm
Don't touch
tired.
me, Katakata, don't touch
I am
me.
tired.
Don't
Let
touch
me
me.
go. I'm tired.
Don't
Every
let
time
me touch me.
I'm not sleeping. How do you expect me to give birth? I cannot give birth. Yes, your family said I will not give birth. I will not give birth. What is it? What do I know that you guys
are
have
not
done?
feeling fine. Go
What do I
and
know
sit
that you
down.
guys have done?
Sit down, you know you're not
chest.
feeling fine.
How my
Okay.
chest?
I know they oh.
Because
You
I
know
don't
that
talk,
I have told
you
you before, he ticketed my chest slope. From here, I will carry you. Since, so why did you come to your house?
Every time everybody.
Wait till make you tell me somebody come here. Can you make the same that baby?
You don't have respect for your husband, but nobody knows. I don't have peace of mind. I cannot sleep well because I'm scared every
You want
night.
to make noise?
How do you want me to give birth?
You think everything is by?
If I don't have this, how will I give
everything is
birth?
by talking. Everything is by wow.
Action, you cannot take nothing else. You only to shout.
See,
Shout.
any man that shouts too much will not know when you open up his secret.
Rubbish.
If you get too much, you go your secret, you go your mind. See, Ebunes na weke na erinude o. Ebunes na weke na erinude. See, who don't na weke stories means something. You must not say everything.
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
Okay.
And then look at you. In a very okay. What's the reason? Joy, Mary, if you people will hear me now,
You will
please.
not arrest. Look at you, you are breathing.
Caring wife, no, don't bring that.
He knows I am always caring.
Carrying my
You
food.
want to start?
Carrying
He
my
knows I am
food.
always caring.
How are you caring?
He knows that.
You are caring
all
and
the
already
time
putting in
I've
this
been
house.
caring for him.
What care did you give to him?
What
care
all
did you
the
give
care
to
I've
him?
been doing for where are you?
What care did you give to
Where
him?
were you?
Joy, I never
It's
needed
only
this.
when you want to
You are a
collect drip, you
fish.
know you want to run down and come to this house.
I swear to
all
God.
this why you
Do you know what you
are?
are?
A snake if I'm a fish.
Do you know what you are? You are just like an ant that eats the vegetable. Where the vegetable?
Who is the vegetable? Who is the vegetable?
We'll find out very soon.
Ah!
You.
I'll be respecting, but it's obvious
No.
you don't need so.
I was
I
thinking
keep
your
it on my
son,
pocket.
but I presented you.
Joy, keep quiet.
I had a
Do
lot of
not talk.
responsibility
Joy,
for
keep
you.
quiet, do not talk. But you're always throwing the knockout on me. Throwing it.
I held you on high. I sticked out my neck thinking I was standing for somebody.
No, you did not stand
Look at
for
you.
me. If you stand from this ground, you'll be
If I stand for you, right?
If you stood by me,
Your
you would not be acting like
character
this.
is.
What is the character?
Do you know what you're presenting yourself to be
up.
online?
You woke me up.
Do you know
You
what
all
you're
woke
presenting
me up.
yourself to be
You all
online?
woke me up.
Do you know
I
what
was
you're
this
presenting yourself to
calm
be
girl that
online?
never even want to talk about
That's what all of
anything.
you are doing it
But you
online.
all woke me up. I am this
You
girl.
have
no
turned
matter
this
what, I
house,
will not
all
say
of you, both
anything.
lemon. You have turned this house to
I respect
a drama club, a
I will
cinema
call
hall.
you. You will not even respond to my call. I will text you. You will not respond to my text.
Joy, when
Who
did
the
you
hell
call
do you
me?
want me to? When did I call you? Bring your phone. Let me see the missed call. Bring your phone out and see
When
the missed
did you
call.
call me?
Oh, obviously, maybe you don't on top of me. I want to concern me on that one because I am not useful to
You
you.
see, that is just your mindset. See
I
where your
am not
mind is
useful
going.
to. If I am
You see where the
before I will call you,
woman,
no,
man.
before I will call you, will respond to me.
Joy, when
But
you started
now I call
misbehaving
you,
was
you
when
did
I started
not-
withdrawing
When the
from
issue
you.
was up, when he was throwing me out, I called you, did not respond. When you called, you pick the call.
When he was throwing you out.
But when I called
Do
you,
you know
did
what
not
you're
respond
presenting
to me.
yourself to be?
Presenting myself to be what?
Do you know what you're presenting
Everybody
yourself
know
to
how
be?
nice I was. Everybody know how I
How
came into
nice.
this house. Everybody know
Or how pretentious you were.
how I was. Hello.
Yes, how pretentious.
How?
You were pretending to be nice.
No,
now
I
you
wasn't
unveiled
pretending.
yourself.
No, if you
You
want-
never unveil and
until
finish.
you people are done
You
with
see
such
that thing where
drama.
inside? You You never unveil and finish.
Until people are done with your drama, I will now calm down.
It
But
is
for
still
now,
coming.
it's like
Not
people want
Canada.
it hot.
No, how can I? Don't
Now
worry.
once I'm hot, and when time they give you now,
That
I can
thing
be
you
hot
feel you
today
want.
and I can be cold tomorrow.
That thing you feel
depending
you
on what
want,
you bring
you
on
will
my
see
table.
am. You will see it. Don't worry.
I'm sorry, oh.
Ogusu,
See what people have cost.
I've told you my own. If it is either you're leaving this house in peace, I am begging you.
I'm not
Peacefully and quietly.
I never see who go fit throw me out for this house.
Shebi that senators where you get
I never
senators,
see who
you get
go
lawyers. You are connected to high people.
I say I never see who go. I don't respect it.
He got phone with you.
Okay.
You will see yourself.
I will not talk the thing that
He got phone with you. You will see yourself.
I'm not going to say
this hand you're
much.
bringing. You will see where
Victor,
it
let
will
you
lead
put the camera on me right now. I'm not going to say much, but what I is because my health right now, I'm passing through a lot that I don't want to say on social media.
You care.
I am passing through a lot I don't want to say on social media. Mary is leaving my house.
All this
Joy is going to go. Mary is going to go. Joy is going to go. I am not joking. Mary is leaving and Joy is going to go. I'm not joking. If I walk out on your father,